Hello folks, welcome back. We are on the Expo Hall floor here at AWS reInvent. It is Wednesday, day 3 of AWS reInvent. I still have my voice. I'm kind of astonished by that. Normally at this time I sound like I've been gargling asphalt for a couple of days. I'm rested, I'm well refreshed. I don't know what's happening. I'm feeding off of the energy of the showroom floor. Chris Williams, Principal Cloud Solutions Architect and Cloud Therapist for WWT, here with
Adam Fisher, a cloud architect. I don't know if I can put therapist in there quite yet, but I feel like we do a lot of that.
We do a lot of therapy.
At WWT as well.
Blow it up. Boop. All right, so.
There's that energy right there,
Yeah,
the showroom floor.
I love it. So, we are here doing our person on the street interview. We've got 2 questions. We're asking everybody. We want to hear what everybody has to say. Adam.
Yes.
Coming into AWS reInvent, you've heard about a lot of services. You know that you're going to run into a lot of people. What is the one thing that you are the most excited about hearing about learning about from the reInvent process? Whether it be in a keynote or in a hallway track or whatever.
Yeah, I'm really interested in the emphasis on data. I mean, that's the one thing that I kind of picked up on yesterday was that data is exploding, and how do we use that data, and how can we do that effectively?
Exabytes are 1 million terabytes.
Yeah,
I knew that.
It's crazy.
It was like
we'll all know that very soon. But I've had at WWT the opportunity to work with some customers on some projects that are doing interesting things with like taking data and trying to transform it, and all these different ways you can do ETL, and what kind of value do we get out of this data. And so you and I also come from sort of like a traditional virtualization data center background, where applications to us,
the experts in the house.
Yes,
what up?
Exactly. Applications to us and what we were used to a number of years ago, now applications and what companies are looking to do is to just build something that can transform data into something useful and get benefits for AI, ML. Right. And the thing that I like about AWS is that there's a ton of services to be able to do that. The interesting thing is the services are there. The ease of use and how you do it is just wide open to whatever the customer's imagination. So I think how they can maybe make that easier for people to get off the ground floor and not have to be data experts per se to kind of build their own thing. I'm interested to see how that evolves over time.
Awesome, very cool. We are seeing. I mean, I'm loving the new talking about services integrations. I've always said that the time to go from an ideation, from an idea, to the time that it's actually a product in production needs to be shortened. And anytime AWS comes out with a service or with a framework that allows that window to be shortened, is going to be a net win for businesses and a net win for the customer.
For sure.
Cool. Question number 2, Adam Fisher. What is it that you would like to leave reInvent with? And this is wide open. It can be about anything that you want to talk about.
Really the big thing for me and the reason that I'm here is community. So getting to do awesome stuff like this with Chris, not on a Zoom call, is amazing. Especially after the last 2.5 years that we've
actually
had.
Meeting humans in a face-to-face thing, hopefully with everybody not having something to pass on.
Exactly. Being around humans is good, although in comparison to last year, I've also been bouncing off a lot of humans trying to walk to and from places. So it's crowded, and it's nice to like put in some earbuds, zone out, listen to music, and walk around.
That's what the noise canceling Bose are for.
Yeah.
I'm not getting paid to plug that.
But community is the main thing, is meeting all these awesome people, getting to meet some of the heroes, and to see some of that virtualization, some of that data center infrastructure community kind of bleeding into some of the cloud community that maybe I haven't been as in depth to up to this point. So, really just getting around people and learning about what everybody's doing, and finding out that there's a lot of interest in WWT and also AWS. So,
all right. Cool.
It happened.
Adam Fisher.
Yes.
Thanks for coming on the show.
Thank you for having me.
And we will talk to you later.
Thank you.